Came out here again to cut some more trees down, and a large tree decided it was gonna not fall the way that I wanted it to, and so here's where I'm at. Just trying to get the chainsaw out. That's not working because my ratchet strap is way too short. I was not prepared. Should probably have wedges and stuff. The closest thing to a wedge I had is that hatchet in the tree right there, and now it's stuck too. So I don't know. I have no idea. I don't know. I'll figure it out.
Driveway. It's all nice and flat. Right off the road. See that big old rock, Nora? It looks so good. There's so many frogs here. Yeah, you got your kitchen stuff?
So, that means girl got straight with posters and stuff, but with posters also.
Ready? Good job. Okay, slowly, slowly. Alright, today we just pretty much cleaned up all of the trees that John felled last week. He basically got them down and then chainsawed them all up into littler pieces, logs, and then we stacked them. This tree right here is still moving a little bit. This is the one that John got the chainsaw stuck in. You can see the base there, just a little stuck. Says hi, Mom. Just rolled that big old rock into that backhoe scoop. There you go. So today John's working with the tractor and my priority is going to be to kind of start to cut some new trail. So we've got what we've been clearing and it's where we stacked our wood. So it's been this kind of area in here. But now I want to start to see where we can have a trail go back this way. So our driveway is over here, and then I'd love to have a trail kind of run alongside it that's going to get us closer to the back of our property, which we're still so close to the road, so it seems impossible, especially when you see how dense the forest gets. So you can kind of see this is probably a little bit of a game trail through here, but when you walk back here, you can see just how dense it gets. Just all these itty bitty trees. It's gonna do this forest so good to clear out all of these little guys and let the mature ones really start to do their thing. Good job. Another big root ball.
I decided to tackle the tree from that stump there with the bottle jack on it. I was leaning up against that tree. I used the backhoe that's over here, tied a big long rope and a ratchet strap to the trunk of the tree, pulled it off the stump so that it was on the ground instead of on the stump. And then, I don't know, I cut like, I don't know, those are maybe 3.5, 4 foot sections. I cut a notch and then from the back side, cut just a little bit above the notch so that it would fall. Basically, where the notch is would fall backwards towards the tree it was leaning on. And it took, what, 1, 2, 3, 4 of those sections to get it on the ground. I got the tree down, and it's no longer a danger to people walking around over there, so that's good. So that's taken care of. Came out to the property today. Yesterday and, well, I don't know, probably this morning, we had a bunch of rain, and I had just stripped a whole bunch of topsoil, dug out a whole bunch of stumps and things. I didn't really plan on using the tractor today, but as you can see, it is muddy back there. It was quite slippery. I already walked in there, and it was quite slippery too. So I don't think that tractor is going to be doing a whole lot for me today. I'll probably get it stuck if I use it. And the outriggers for the backhoe, those things will just sink right down into the ground. So you can see there, just a nice slippery muddy mess. But that's okay. There's trees to take down and stuff like that, so guess I'll get started doing that.
Parked in our driveway today. Look at that.
So that pile to the left of your pile,
Yeah.
I made that before you got here.
Okay.
Then it's cutting up all this.
Yeah.
Just takes a long time, man.
Yeah. There is our massive pile that we've been adding to today. We're gonna have a lot to burn in the fall. So for the 4th of July weekend, we took a beautiful trip up to tippy top northern Wisconsin, right on the border of Wisconsin and Michigan. This is John's family's cottage up here on a lake. It's our absolute favorite place when we referred to just loving northern Wisconsin and the woods and the lakes. This is what we're referring to. We've been coming up here ever since we've been married, our first year of marriage. John said we have to go to the family lake house. We have to go to the family cottage. And I fell in love with it just as much as he loves it. So it's always so surreal for him to have his family up here. And we just love having a wonderful time together.